Do you know how Washington, D.C., the heart of American politics, was born and why it's back in the headlines today? In 1790, the U.S. Congress passed the Residence Act to create a federal district separate from any state. Land was ceded by Maryland and Virginia, and President George Washington chose a site on the Potomac River. In 1791, French engineer Pierre L'Enfant drew up a grand plan of wide avenues and symbolic spaces. This is how the nation's capital began. The city faced early trials. In 1814, during the War of 1812, British troops burned the White House and the Capitol. Yet Washington, D.C. rebuilt and continued to grow. By 1871, the Organic Act unified the city and county governments. In 1973, the Home Rule Act finally gave residents the power to elect their own mayor and city council, though Congress still retained ultimate authority. Through the late 20th century, Washington modernized with the metro system, new neighborhoods, and a surge of civic activism. It became both a symbol of democracy and a flashpoint for debates about representation and federal power. Fast forward to 2025. President Donald Trump declared a crime emergency in D.C., took direct control of the city's police, and deployed the National Guard. Many residents saw this as an unnecessary and heavy-handed move because violent crime was at a decades-low level. Civil rights groups and thousands of ordinary citizens responded with peaceful protests, marches, and creative acts of dissent to defend local self-government. Washington, D.C.'s story is not just about monuments and politics. It's about a city that was created to represent a new nation, survived invasion and rebuilding, struggled for home rule, and still stands at the center of America's ongoing debate over democracy, authority, and the power of its people.